Welcome back to 19 Cannon Hill Crescent. The house is a two-storey, three-bedroom with an attached garage. The only thing we've left is the two top bedrooms and the garage. Everything else has been altered or knocked down and rebuilt. The owner is an architect who's redrawn the plan, so he's very passionate about the build. He loves the house. He just felt that it was poorly built.
Hi, I'm Anthony Blackwell. This is our total renovation basically, which has ended up in knocking down this end of the house, rebuilding it all new, but pretty much the same as it was, but better. So its existing house was built in 1958. In terms of detailing, every junction is a custom detail. Instead of building all the general construction and cladding and fitting the windows, I've ended up doing a lot of joinery. We're trying to use a lot of the Remu framing. There's nothing simple on this job.
We're about 10 weeks into this project now. Our biggest challenge was knocking the house down in sections. It's been a really logistical job. We had to take this wing down to ground level, then build the scaffold right through there so we could take the rest of the building down. So it was a matter of foundations, floor, then scaffolding through, then finish the rest of the demolition off. This wing here, we're still waiting for cedar so we can carry on with the new decking and try and keep the job running. So this is the bottom area. This level is all lime stopped and getting its first coat of paint. This is the existing beams that he wanted put back into the house. The new stairs have been taken out of the old property, revamped and going to be reinstalled. Here's a little mock-up of what Anthony is proposing to do for his handrail and balustrading along the top here, which is all machined and recycled material from the existing house, just to keep continuity between new and old. This is the foyer. We've incorporated a skylight and more windows both ends of the stairwell, which has really opened this area up, and out to a light bedroom, which we've incorporated two more windows. So we've formed a big wardrobe on the one side and more storage for linen on the other side, coming through to a big ensuite, which is probably double the size of what they had before. At the front door here, we're going to form a level platform deck with two steps down either side, and this whole area here will be dug out and exposed ag concrete put back in. Along the front here, we've reformed this front canopy with internal steel beams. Before it was held up by a couple of posts which were almost falling over. Once you step off the driveway, it'll look like a brand new property.
Boys have put in a lot of work. It's great having Jared and Steve here most days. They're lovely guys. Everyone always comments on that. We're really pleased now. It's coming up really, really amazing.
We're not far away from finishing off inside. So there's probably only about 4 weeks work here once we've got all the materials on site. So we'll have a little tour at the end and they'll be good to see you back. Thanks very much.